The progress of a society is inseparably tied to the progress of its women. But empowerment goes beyond teaching women a single skill. Behind every empowered woman is a foundation of wide-ranging knowledge, from financial awareness and digital literacy to a firm grasp of one's rights. This is the heart of the Usha Silai School curriculum. It is more than just sewing. It integrates life skills, digital and financial literacy, and entrepreneurship development, enabling participants to strengthen their confidence and become self-reliant. In today's episode, we explore how this holistic training is turning potential into power and bringing lasting change to women's lives across India. The Usha Silai School program began with a simple idea: teach women to stitch and earn a livelihood. Today, it's grown into something bigger, a holistic training model that equips women with life-enabling skills, financial literacy, digital know-how, entrepreneurship, and gender rights awareness. With these skills, women gain the confidence to manage businesses, take leadership roles, and secure brighter futures for their families. Strengthening this vision is a thoughtful partnership between Usha International Limited and the Asian Development Bank. Through this collaboration, training isn't just about skills. It's about sustainable, inclusive growth.
The project is called Project Asha, and the idea of this association is training 600 master trainers of Usha Silai School to assimilate knowledge on digital and financial literacy, entrepreneurship development, and government schemes and applications. And the idea is to enable them to become bigger and better entrepreneurs.
ADB envisions a prosperous, inclusive, resilient, and sustainable Asia Pacific and supports this mission through loans, grants, technical assistance, equity investments, and policy dialogue. Under its microfinance program, ADB is promoting digital financial literacy and entrepreneurship for low-income women and has partnered with Usha to reach women across rural India through the Usha Silai School network. ADB and Usha are working together educating Usha Silai School women entrepreneurs on the digital, technical, and entrepreneurship skills, so the impact compounds across communities. This partnership takes Usha Silai School women to the next level through inputs on increased understanding of financial resources and its access, management of personal and business finance, ability to analyze options, make informed decisions, and reduce risks, increasing income capacity and accelerating micro-enterprise growth.
This partnership is all about honing their skills, which is not only useful for them selves, but they also utilize and use this knowledge to disseminate back home when they go and teach their students as well.
This program isn't just aiming to create entrepreneurs, it is creating leaders, women who understand their rights, can navigate digital platforms and make informed financial decisions. The ripple effect? Stronger families, empowered communities, and a future where women are at the center of the economic growth. The foundation for this growth is being laid through 4 focus areas addressed during the 2-day training. Digital literacy, which introduces the basics of digital tools and internet usage that are essential for today's economic environment. Entrepreneurial development that builds entrepreneurial mindset, skills, and practical business competencies. Financial literacy, which teaches essential financial concepts for a stable and growing enterprise. And session on government schemes and formalization ensures women know how to access government support designed for small and micro entrepreneurs. Learning goes beyond classrooms through hands-on, real-life activities. Participants gain practical skills in entrepreneurship, digital tools, and government platforms to build confidence for the real world. Hands-on activities help create product catalogs using online platforms.
मैंने मोबाइल के बारे में बहुत सारे ऐप्स भी बताए सर ने, उनके बारे में भी सीखा है। उनसे मैंने ये ज्ञान लिया है कि ऑनलाइन है का ज़माना है, तो ऑनलाइन में कैसे क्या करना है, तो वो ऐप्स के द्वारा मैं अपने जो स्टूडेंट हैं उनको भी वह सिखाऊंगी, और मैंने भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखी हैं। और आज जो सर ने बताया कि जो हम लोग को ज्ञान यानी कि उसके बारे में नॉलेज नहीं था, योजनाओं के बारे में, तो आज बहुत सारी योजना के बारे में बताया गया है कि जैसे कि प्रधानमंत्री मुद्रा योजना, प्रधानमंत्री विश्वकर्मा योजना, और मेन चीज़ ये था कि हम लोग का पंजीकरण नहीं था, तो वो पंजीकरण के बारे में जानकारी दी है, उद्यमी पंजीकरण। तो ये बहुत अच्छी बात हम लोग को पता चली है कि पंजीकरण होना कितना ज़रूरी है।
मुझे नहीं मालूम था कि फ़ोन क्या है मेरे लिए। आज मैं फ़ोन के माध्यम से बहुत सारी चीज़ें कर पा रही हूँ। बैंक का लेन देन भी इसी के माध्यम से कर पा रही हूँ। घर बैठे दुकान पर बैठ के बहुत सारी लेन देन हो पा रहे हैं मेरे।
Traditional training often stops at technical skills. The Usha Silai School goes further, combining stitching with financial literacy, digital proficiency, and entrepreneurship. So women don't just start businesses, they sustain and grow them.
The Usha Silai School program is just not limited to skilling. It has been designed to be a holistic program which has multiple aspects, multiple elements like digital literacy, financial literacy, entrepreneurship development, health inputs, over and above life skills as well as sewing. We've realized that these skills and competencies have helped women not just earn their livelihood in a better manner, but also navigate the life challenges which they often face. Thus, we see that these women now have stronger, more confident voices within their own families as well as communities, and they are not just very good tailors now, but are also looked upon as entrepreneurs as well as social leaders.
What I believe that this kind of training does is act holistically on their overall personality and support them to be, entrepreneurs at truly the next level and reach the next level. The idea genuinely is to educate them in terms which probably would not have got their attention till now in their journey, but it's absolutely essential to take their enterprise to the next level. A basic thing, for example, like an Udyam registration, which is nothing but the Aadhaar card of a business. So things like these, they go a long way in the success of an entrepreneur. And I believe it's be it banking, be it insurance, be it unlocking government schemes that can support them, just the facility of, for example, certain loans that can be unlocked for them, collateral free, will actually take their enterprise to the next level. So therefore, I feel that whatever we've taught them in terms of also being able to market themselves and promote their services and actually inculcate and pick up attributes that are going to support them in expanding their business and reaching their dreams and aspirations.
The holistic approach helps women adopt to changing markets, access online opportunities, and advocate for themselves and others. The partnership between Usha International Limited and ADB is more than a program. It's a movement that transforms skills into empowerment, and empowerment into lasting change. Because when women rise, communities thrive. And when communities thrive, the future becomes brighter for everyone.
ऊषा है तो आशा है.
From Madhya Pradesh, we travel to Hardoi, where a similar story is unfolding. As they walk through the lanes of Sikandarpur village, these women are reshaping their futures through every lesson, every skill, every opportunity. This is how a curriculum becomes a journey of empowerment. At Sarvodaya Ashram, a space known for nurturing grassroots transformation, the Usha Silai School program has opened its doors yet again. For years, the Usha Silai School program has empowered rural women with tailoring skills. But today, the program is evolving because true empowerment is more than a livelihood. It is the power to earn, the confidence to decide, and the courage to lead. The curriculum here blends the practical with profound. Women learn stitching, but they also learn financial literacy, how to save, invest, and manage their incomes with dignity. They learn digital skills that connect them to the world beyond the village. They learn about gender rights, equality, and their own agency. and they learn how to turn skills into enterprise and how to become job creators instead of job seekers.
इस ट्रेनिंग में नीति आयोग वेब उषा की ट्रेनिंग में पहले मेरा एक इंटरव्यू हुआ, उसके बाद सेकंड इंटरव्यू हुआ, फिर मेरा कुछ सिलाई का इंटरव्यू हुआ, उसके बाद हम नीति आयोग उषा वेब में मेरा सिलेक्शन हुआ। उसके यहाँ पर हम 10 दिवसीय ट्रेनिंग ले रहे हैं। इस ट्रेनिंग में हम इस ट्रेनिंग को पूरा करके आगे अपने ऊंचाई तक जाना चाहते हैं कि हम पैसा कमाएंगे और अपना नाम भी कमाएंगे। ट्रेनिंग पूरी करने के बाद में हम एक और आगे अपने उद्यम को बढ़ाना चाहते हैं, जैसे कि हम अपना उद्यम रजिस्ट्रेशन जेम पोर्टल रजिस्ट्रेशन कराएंगे ताकि इससे हमारा आगे भी और बढ़ सके।
This transformation is strengthened through a powerful partnership. Niti Aayog, the Government of India's apex public policy think tank, plays a vital role in shaping development through innovation, inclusion, and a bottom-up approach. And within this vision lies the Women Entrepreneurship Platform, WEP, one of India's most comprehensive ecosystems for women aiming to build, scale, and sustain their businesses. Through its guiding pillars, collaborate, consolidate, catalyze, and coverage, WEP ensures that every woman with a dream has access to opportunities, networks, knowledge, and support.
नीति आयोग वेब के साथ में जुड़ने का जो हमारा उद्देश्य था वो ये था कि ये जो महिला जो हाई पोटेंशियल वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं, इनको कैसे आगे लेकर के उनके लिए एक ऐसा इकोसिस्टम डेवलप किया जाए जो उनके उद्यम को और आगे लेकर के जाए। उसमें आप कुछ टेक्नो स्किल्स हैं, उसमें रिसोर्सेस हैं, नेशनल लेवल के अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं, कैसे इन सबको एक कोलैबोरेटिव वे में हम इनको एक ऐसा इकोसिस्टम डिज़ाइन करके दें ताकि अपने ये जो इनका बिज़नेस है वो इसको आगे लेकर के जाएं। तो इसी क्रम में हमारे सोच के साथ में हमने ये उषा और वेब ने कोलैबोरेशन किया था। अब एक बिज़नेस एक उद्यम को चलाने के लिए जिन जिन चीज़ों की आवश्यकता होती है, बिज़नेस डेवलपमेंट की सर्विसेज होती हैं, लीगल और कंप्लायंसेस को जानना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, उसके बाद में मार्केट लिंकेजेस को कैसे अप्रोच करते हैं तो उसको जानना बड़ा ज़रूरी होता है, और इसके साथ में इंश्योरेंस है, चीज़ों का रख रखाव है। तो एक होलिस्टिक एक तरीके से एक पूरा एक होलिस्टिक इस तरीके से हम एक स्ट्रेटेजिक कोलैबोरेशन इनको करके दें, एक ऐसा इकोसिस्टम इनको बना करके दें जो आने वाले समय पे ये अपने बिजनेस वेंचर को आगे उषा सिलाई स्कूल को और आगे लेकर के जाए। एक जो अभी लघु उद्योग है वो एक बड़े उद्योग में कन्वर्ट हो सकता है। तो इस तरीके की अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं।
Through the Award to Reward program, WEP and Usha International Limited have united to uplift existing rural women entrepreneurs. In Hardoi, 15 master trainers, women who already run Silai schools in their villages, have been selected for a 10-day intensive program. These women are not beginners. They are leaders who are now being equipped to grow further, organize their work better, and scale their businesses with confidence. Throughout the program, mentors from Usha guide each participant individually, shaping their skills, sharpening their business strengths, and preparing them for the next step in their entrepreneurial journey. Across these 10 days, the learning is transformational, but the support doesn't end here. Each woman will be onboarded on the WEP portal, giving her access to government schemes, grants, and entrepreneurial resources. She will receive certificates, a recognition aligned with national norms that validates her skills and opens new market opportunities. For the next 1 year, she will stay connected with the subject matter experts, gaining guidance on business expansion, compliance, finance, and market linkages. From incubation support to cross-learning opportunities, from digital tools to forward linkages, the pathway ahead is filled with possibilities.
कहीं बार गांव में बड़ी बड़ी कंपनी होती है या जो बड़े बड़े डिज़ाइनर्स होते हैं वो चाहते हैं कि हम गांव में जाके काम करें, गांव के लोगों को काम दे। अगर गांव की महिला को उस लेवल का डिज़ाइन और उस लेवल का फिनिशिंग और उस लेवल का कटिंग और स्टिचिंग आ गया तो हो सकता है कि सिटी के जो भी बिजनेसमैन है या जो डिज़ाइनर है वो आके इनके साथ काम करके इनकी आमदनी में भी फ़र्क पड़े और इनको उस लेवल का काम भी मिल जाए। तो हम चाहते हैं कि एक लेवल ऊपर ये महिलाएं सीखें जिससे वो बैरियर है जो वो एक गांव और सिटी के बीच का जो नॉलेज का बैरियर है वो भी थोड़ा धीरे धीरे कम हो।
As the program concludes, each participant receives a new Usha sewing machine, a companion for her next chapter. But the real gift is not the machine. It is the mindset, the skill set, and the confidence to dream bigger, earn with dignity, and uplift others along the way.
सर्वोदय आश्रम को हम बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहते हैं और ये उषा को हम धन्यवाद करना चाहते हैं। वो गांव से महिला जो हम लोग हैं किसी लेवल के नहीं थे, गांव से उठा के हमको यहाँ पे लाया गया ताकि हम बेहतर हो सकें, हमारी लाइफ अच्छी चल सके, और हमें उन्होंने ही रोजगार दिया है। उषा अगर ना होते तो हम लोग कुछ ना होते।
Today, these women return to their villages not as tailors, but as entrepreneurs, not just as learners, but as leaders. They will train more women. They will build micro-enterprises. They will inspire younger generations, and they will contribute to an ecosystem that believes in resilience. Ichha Shakti, Gyan Shakti, and Karam Shakti. This is an environment that multiplies. This is change that grows. In the heart of Hardoi, something powerful has begun. The Usha Silai School WEP ATR program is not just building skills, it is building futures. And as these women step into tomorrow with confidence, they carry with them a simple truth, that their journey has only just begun. When a woman learns, she rises, and with her, so does the entire community. From Hoshangabad in Madhya Pradesh to Hardoi in Uttar Pradesh, this story is taking root across India. After a short break, we travel to Noida, where teaching sewing is just the beginning.
Brought to you by
Usha.
We are at the field center of the organization Joint Women's Program in Noida, where the Usha Silai School program and JWP are together running life skills training sessions for women. This workshop is part of the Usha Silai School and JWP's Wings of Hope initiative, a mission that aims to break the silence around women's health. Here, JWP trainers provide clear, simple and scientific information on important topics like menstrual hygiene, reproductive health, PCOD and safe sanitation.
तो वहाँ से हमारा उषा सिलाई स्कूल वहाँ से शुरुआत हुई उनके साथ पार्टनरशिप, और अभी तक हम इसको चला पा रहे हैं इसी के द्वारा, क्योंकि बीच बीच में जब भी हमको ज़रूरत पड़ती थी उनके माध्यम से हमें हमेशा मदद मिलती रही है। तभी आज हम जो हमारा विंग्स ऑफ होप है, जो हमारे साथ उषा की पार्टनरशिप है सिलाई स्कूल के माध्यम से, आज उसको हम तभी चला पाए हैं।
Since 1977, JWP has been working to ensure safety, dignity and self-reliance for women. Through these training workshops in health awareness, women gain the confidence to stand independently, make informed decisions and assert their voice, both within their homes and in their communities. At JWP, women not only learn sewing but are also informed about their health, their bodies and their rights. One of the most important components of Usha Silai School and JW partnership in this workshop is the training to make eco-friendly, reusable sanitary napkins. This effort goes far beyond producing a product. It brings together women's health, self-reliance and environmental responsibility. Through this training, women not only learn how to stitch these pads but also understand what safe and sustainable menstrual hygiene choices look like.
वी वुमेन ऑल्सो केयर्स अबाउट आवर फैमिली मोस्टली, तो हम अपनी केयर करना भूल जाते हैं। हम भूल जाते हैं कि हमें अपने पैड्स भी चेंज करने हैं 6 आवर्स 7 आवर्स, और हम नॉर्मली जो डिस्पोजेबल पैड्स यूज़ नहीं करते हैं जिसमें काफ़ी सारे टॉक्सिन्स होते हैं। हम जब वो हमारी स्किन से कांटेक्ट में आते हैं तो वो हमें काफ़ी एक तो हार्मफुल वो काफ़ी होते हैं, फ्रेग्रेंस होता है उसके अंदर, ऑल्सो काफ़ी सारे बैक्टीरियाज क्रिएट हो जाते हैं। अगर हम उसे लॉन्ग टाइम तक यूज़ करेंगे तो वो हमें नहीं करना चाहिए। तो उसके बदले अगर हम स्विच करते हैं किसी अच्छी चीज़ पे विच इज़ लाइक डिस्पोजेबल पैड्स, रीयूजेबल पैड्स बेसिकली, जो हम लंबे समय तक यूज़ भी कर सकते हैं, हमारे इन्वायरमेंट के लिए भी अच्छे हैं, वो हमें कोई टॉक्सिन भी नहीं देंगे, हमारी स्किन के लिए काफ़ी अच्छे हैं।
Reusable napkins offer a key benefit. They are cost effective. unlike disposable pads that one needs to spend on every single month. The reusable versions can be used for months, reducing financial strain. Through Usha Silai School and Joint Women's Program, women gain skill, health awareness and eco-consciousness, empowering them on multiple fronts.
The main reason why we think Usha is a very good platform for our project is that जब हमने ये स्टार्ट किया था विंग्स ऑफ होप का कैंपेन, तो हम चाह रहे थे कि हम पैन इंडिया इसको लेके जाएं और जितनी भी रूरल जगह है, सेमी रूरल जगह है, हम वहाँ पे औरतों और बच्चों तक हम पहुँच पाए। और ऊषा के साथ हमारा पार्टनरशिप पहले से रहा है, तो हम समझते हैं, हम जानते हैं कि उनका कितना आउटरीच ऑलरेडी है। उनके पूरे इंडिया में इतने सिलाई स्कूल हैं जहाँ पे वो सिमिलर काम कर रहे हैं दूसरे औरतों के साथ। तो हमने सोचा कि ये पार्टनरशिप इतनी अच्छी रहेगी क्योंकि हम इनके थ्रू और लेडीज़ तक पहुँच पाएंगे। और ऑल्सो क्योंकि इनके करिकुलम में ऑलरेडी था पैड मेकिंग, तो एक कनेक्ट हमें दिखाई दिया जहाँ पे हम साथ में काम कर सकते थे इसके बारे में।
मुझे किसी ने बताया सिलाई सेंटर के बारे में, मैंने यहाँ पे आके देखा, तो मैंने यहाँ पे आके ज्वाइन किया, तो मुझे यहाँ पे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा।
और मैं अपने आप पे निर्भर हूँ, मैं कुछ भी अपने आप से कर सकती हूँ और मैं किसी के आगे हाथ भी नहीं फैलाना चाहूँगी, आना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि अपने लिए कुछ करना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है, हर महिलाओं के लिए।
The stories of women like Savita and Anjana show how the right knowledge and skills can transform lives. The Usha Silai School JWP partnership is a powerful step towards breaking myths and empowering women with confidence and dignity.
ये जो मिथ होती है, मंदिर में नहीं जाना, ये नहीं छूना, चार नहीं छूना, ये सब मैं दूर करना चाहती हूँ थिंकिंग सबकी, कि नहीं, अगर हम खुद साफ हैं, हाइजीन है, तो हम सब कर सकते हैं।
Empowerment truly begins when knowledge, skill and self-reliance come together.
Brought to you by
Usha.